guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I have a really special announcement to make which I've been working on since the last past few weeks, and I'm just so excited to share it with everybody, and I hope you guys like it as well. I've worked really hard on these, and I just hope that you love it, like it, everything, all of it. I'm just ready to share it now, and I'm so excited for it. Yeah. Okay, so Ramadan is around the corner. It is literally one of my most favorite times of the year. I literally wait for it till the Ramadan ends. I wait for the next Ramadan the entire year. Okay, I love Ramadan that much, and I'm sure everybody does. I mean, it's a month of blessings. It's a month. Ramadan always comes when our hearts need it the most. You know, it's a month of ibadat. It's a month of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, where He is literally ready to bless us with everything that we want, everything, all of it. And then I was thinking of creating something that will actually help people to do their maximum ibadat in this entire month, you know. And also it is Sadqa Jariya, because if I am helping someone, a little bit of amount of that sawab will come to me as well. And I wanted to create something that will actually help people make the most of this month of Ramadan. So then I came up with some ideas which I actually worked on. So I'm here to share it with you guys. So the people who know me know that I'm a Pinteresty girly, okay? I'm all for aesthetics, I'm all for home decor, I'm all for these cute, girly, Pinteresty stuff, you know, minimalistic, sweet, nice, clean looks, okay? And then one day I was scrolling Instagram and I found this Ramadan calendar over there, but it was kind of expensive. And then I looked at it, I was like, I can make a design of my own and then, you know, make a calendar out of it, like a something that it can stand on a dressing table or something and give the room a very beautiful aesthetic look. So I did some hard work. I went on some few apps and then I made some designs and then I came with this simple yet elegant, cute thing. How's it? Okay, I hope you guys can see it clearly. I mean, this is the thing that I made, okay, and then I went to some vendors and did the thing, the cutting and everything. But yeah, this is this. It's really lightweight and it comes with three beautiful pastel colors. It comes in like baby blue color, this baby pink color, and we also have a lilac color. And even the month over here can be customized. So we can also make it for March, April, May, all the months. And it will add such a beautiful, clean, minimalistic yet very Pinteresty look to your dressing table and your room as well. So, okay, so Ramadan is also a month of ibadat, and most of the times it gets very overwhelming, you know, managing your task, your work, the entire month of Ramadan, the fasting, Quran recitation, namaz, tarawih, everything. And that is why we have this beautiful planner over here. It has my name on it also because why not? Okay, so this is a beautiful planner which is there, which actually has 30 pages of a tracker. All right, so here we go. This is how the page actually looks. If you can see, there is everything over here. I think it's gonna come inverted. Please bear with me, guys. I'm sorry. Just please bear with me. Okay, so this is the tracker. We have prayer tracker over here. Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha, Taraweeh, as well as Tahajjud. So you can tick the progress that you have made on day one. You can write the day and date over here. We also have today's goals, so you can write the goals. We have notes. You can mention how your day was, what are the things that happened. You can actually do gratitude journaling over here at the end of the day and thank Allah Subhanahu wa Taala for the day and the miracles that happened that day, the blessings that came that day. And then we have a Quran memorization. So you can actually pick a surah, any verse, and try to memorize it and then write that over here. And lastly, we have dua of the day. Now, this thing I'll come back to at the end of the video because it is something very interesting. So this is how it looks, and there are 30 pages of it. I mean, beautiful, isn't it? I try my level best to complete at least one Quran in the entire month of Ramadan, and that is why we also have a page in this journal for a Quran tracker. I mean, literally, it has all the surahs mentioned over here till Surah Nas, you know, starting from Surah Fatiha, and we have all the surahs here which you can tick all the surahs one by one, track your progress on all the surahs, and then inshallah try to complete at least one Quran in this entire month of Ramadan. And also we have a Taraweeh tracker because why not? Like, look at this. Pretty, right? There is a Taraweeh tracker. You can just check it, you know, check all these things for 30 Taraweehs. And lastly, we also have a Lailatul Qadr tracker. So the last 10 nights of Ramadan, the most blessed nights ever. why to miss, so you can track this, do extra ibadat in the last 10 days and write everything that you have done in this Laylatul Qadr tracker as well. I mean, this journal has it all. You can literally do everything and have a most blessed Ramadan with the help of this. I mean, it's literally like your best friend, your companion for a Ramadan where you don't just wish to be better, but actually become better. I mean, why not? There's also a special thing which is one of my most favorite things that I've worked the most on. It was really a hectic task, but I am very, very proud of that thing, which is not yet launched. Inshallah, I'll be launching it in a day or two. I didn't want to gatekeep these, so I have posted these now. The last thing that is there is, it's really special and close to my heart, and I think you guys are gonna like it and love it as well. It will be launching in 1 or 2 days, and inshallah I'll be posting that video also soon. It's a very beautiful small thing, but a very beautiful thing. And yeah, that's it. If you want to order any of these, I'll mention my Instagram handle over here for this page. It's at the rate Noora by Mehem, NOORABYMEHM. You can go follow that account for more such beautiful things. I have a lot of things coming up, and I've planned beautiful aesthetic yet things that will help you get closer to your deen as well. So you can go follow that page, like this reel, and if you want to order, just DM. That's the only way to place the orders. So just go over there on Instagram, on that page, DM over there. The prices will be revealed over there, and I'm telling you guys, it's not that expensive at all, because I'm literally, the thing that I saw, by which I got this idea of the calendar, is literally half the price of that, not even half, lesser than that. Because why, like literally, why to have it expensive? And this is something that can come in affordable price yet look so pretty. So why? That's why just go on that channel, okay? Go on Instagram, follow this account for more such updates. DM them, you'll get the entire list of everything we have to offer and how to order it. And just go order it, because we have a special launch discount offer going on, which is gonna end very soon. Because yesterday I posted this on the Instagram. I'm getting orders right now. Okay, I'm just preparing for those orders. So just order it now before Ramadan starts, and don't regret it afterwards. I'm telling you, because you are gonna regret it. This is literally the best thing you'll ever find ever. So I think that's it for the video, guys. I was so excited to share this thing. Like when you really work hard on something and spend your time and energy on it, and when it's finally out and when you're showing it to people, it actually, you feel kind of proud and happy for it. And that's why I'm just trying my best for it. I hope you guys like it. The third thing will launch soon, and it's one of my most favorite things. So I hope you guys like that as well. Just go follow me on Instagram. I'll mention both the handles over here for this page as well as the account. You can just go follow me and just, keep up on the updates and keep me in your prayers as well. I'm like really, really excited for this thing which I've worked hard on, and I'm so proud of it, and I'm sure you guys like it very much as I enjoyed making it, and just putting everything together. That's it. I love you all so much. Thank you for following me. I'm so happy that we have hit more than 500 followers. When I started this account, I did not think that it would happen. Okay, I was very skeptical that will I even get 100 followers, but I have more than 500 now. So okay, bye. Take care.